In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the AI Siri waitlist issue on your iPhone. If you've been waiting for a long time and Siri is still stuck on the wait, don't worry, there are a few troubleshooting methods you can try. First, if you only recently joined the wait, I recommend giving it a little more time. In many cases, activation can take several hours before access is granted. However, if you've already been waiting for quite a while, start by completely restarting your iPhone. Power it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple step can often refresh system services and resolve temporary glitches. Another method is to enable airplane mode for about 5 to 10 minutes and then disable it. This refreshes your network connection, and some users have reported that it helped move their Siri requests through the waitlist process faster. You should also make sure your device is running the latest iOS 27 version. If your iPhone isn't fully updated, the new AI Siri features may not work correctly or may remain unavailable. In addition, check your available storage space. If your device is nearly full, the system may have difficulty downloading and processing the files required for AI Siri. Unused apps, photos, or other large files can help free up space. If none of these methods work right away, the best option is to be patient and allow more time for Apple's servers to process your request. In most cases, access is granted automatically once your turn arrives. I hope this guide helped you solve the AI Siri waitlist problem. If it did, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.